Are you looking for the best portable wet-dry vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable wet-dry vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark VS101 MessMaster Portable Wet/Dry Vacuum. MessMaster is the perfect solution for all your wet and dry messes. With its ultra-powerful suction, it can tackle even the toughest messes, including kitchen catastrophes, pet pandemonium, kid chaos, and DIY disasters. The self-cleaning feature allows you to rinse and clean the vacuum in seconds, making maintenance a breeze. No loss of suction technology ensures that you can power through any mess without losing performance. The AnyBag technology gives you the option to line the bin with any plastic bag for easy disposal. With the MessMaster's lightweight design and extra-long cord and hose, you can easily maneuver around your home to clean up any mess. What we like: lightweight, ultra-powerful suction, versatile cleaning heads, self-cleaning feature, compact design. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN 2.5 gallon 1.75 peak HP wet/dry vac. The CRAFTSMAN 2.5 gallon 1.75 peak HP wet/dry vac is a portable and lightweight vacuum that can be used for small messes in various locations including home, garage, cars, trucks, and vans. The compact size, carry handle, cord wrap feature, and included accessories make it easy to store and use. It also has a 2-in-1 capability where it can be used as a blower. The included accessories are 1¼ inches. x 5 feet friction fit hose, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and filter bag. What we like: durable and long-lasting, powerful suction for efficient cleaning, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Number 3. DEWALT 4 gallons portable wet/dry vacuum. The DEWALT DXV04T portable 4-gallon wet/dry vacuum is a versatile tool that can be taken to any job site due to its portable toolbox design. It comes with onboard vac accessory storage that provides a convenient location for all attachments, including extension wand storage. The powerful 5 peak horsepower motor provides the exact amount of suction needed to clean up most jobs. The ultra-flexible hose can extend up to 7 feet, allowing users to reach almost any job. The vacuum also comes with an extra-long, 20-foot power cord with cord wrap to reach almost any cleanup need. What we like: portable 4-gallon toolbox design, powerful 5 peak horsepower motor, ultra-flexible hose extends up to 7 foot. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. Introducing the DEWALT Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum, a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that will make your life easier. With its cordless operation powered by a 20V Max battery, you can easily move around without the hassle of cords. The vacuum features an easily accessible, washable/reusable filter that can be cleaned with a simple tap or water rinse. The heavy-duty, crush-resistant, fully integrated 5-foot hose provides durability, flexibility, and ease of use, allowing you to reach even the tightest spaces. With onboard hose and accessory storage, this vacuum is easy to carry and transport. The 2-gallon tank capacity provides enough storage to handle any mess, whether it's emptying a toilet or unclogging a pipe. Plus, the HEPA-rated wet/dry filter traps dust at 0.3 microns, ensuring a clean and healthy environment. Experience the convenience and power of the DEWALT Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. What we like: cordless operation, easily accessible, washable/reusable filter, heavy-duty, crush-resistant, fully integrated hose. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Vacuum, Wet/Dry, Portable. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Vacuum is a powerful wet/dry vacuum that features a Gore HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of dust. It has dual cleanup modes, allowing you to remove debris with either the front utility nozzle or extendable rubber hose. The vacuum has a half-gallon tank with a heavy-duty latch that is easy to empty and clean. The filter is washable and can be cleaned with a tap or water rinse. The Vaccum has a heavy-duty rubber hose that provides durability and flexibility, and a large on-off switch that is easy to access with one hand. It runs off of 20V max DEWALT battery packs for long run time. What we like: powerful wet/dry vacuum. Gore HEPA filter traps 99.97% of dust. Dual cleanup modes for versatile cleaning. 1/2 gallon tank with heavy-duty latch is easy to empty and clean. Runs off of 20V max DEWALT battery packs for long run time.